In this video, I am going to share how to fix WPS Office not responding on a PC. I will show you 2 steps that can help solve this problem. First, click on the Windows search box and type Task Manager, then open it. Scroll down and find WPS Office. Click on it and then click End Task. Make sure to end all WPS Office processes that are running. After that, click on the search box again and type Control Panel, then open it. Click on Uninstall a Program. Find WPS Office in the list and click on it. You will see the options Uninstall and Change. Click on Change. Now click on Open Repair Tool. Wait a few minutes while the tool automatically repairs WPS Office. That's it. Hopefully your problem is solved. If the issue still persists, the last step is to uninstall WPS Office and then reinstall it.